Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marielou if you're new, and we're moving this weekend. So basically today we went to Target, bought a bunch of cleaning supplies, and today is just like cleaning and starting to pack the current apartment we're in so that we can get ready to move everything. It's gonna be a little hard because Vlad's also sick, so we're managing a lot at the same time, and I just started school, but we'll manage, and I'm excited to do like a little aesthetic clean with me. Yeah. Okay, let's get into it. As I said, we went to Target and I got 2 massive bags, so I'm going to do a little quick haul of everything we got. Got these little tablets for in the bathroom, some more Swiffers, sponges, 2 Olippops because I wanted a fun drink while we're cleaning, 1 cream soda and 1 ginger ale, so I'll do a taste test of those. Some honey because Vlad's sick, so we've been going through this like crazy. I've tried erasers before, but never these. They're like a lavender scent, so I want to try these. And pink stuff, I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I want to try that. Some baking soda because I like to clean a lot with baking soda. Another little microfiber towel because we don't have enough. Some cleaner, and then some disinfecting wipes. This one is in a fresh scent. Lastly, another Lonnie because I'm gonna need the caffeine today. My favorite Panera soup, broccoli and cheddar, just to get me. Maybe tonight I'll have like a cozy night after the whole day of like cleaning and stuff. And then some lemon juice for both our drinks with honey, but also for activating the baking soda. I cleaned the kitchen, bathroom like halfway. I'm just waiting for it to dry before I do another clean. And I was thinking I'm really overwhelmed by everything we have to clean. So while I wipe everything off the coffee table, I'm already gonna pack it because we don't really like the decor. It's okay if we live a couple days without. It's obviously not a necessity. So I'm gonna wipe it, put it in our first moving box. I feel like this is monumental. I can't believe it's been 2 years that we've been here in New York, and we're about to go to a new place, new neighborhood, new memories, new everything. Moving is definitely very bittersweet. We're moving! I'm taking them. Yeah, look! I'm taking them with us, so you have them. Yeah. Get out! Get out! Monster! No biting. I ordered this food. Guess what? I wanted to do something nice for you. I ordered us food.
Order us food?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice.
What
food did you order?
Guess.
McDo?
No.
KFC?
No.
Indian?
No.
Italian?
No.
Mott's?
No. Instead I'll go something else. I don't know. It's not KFC. When have we ever ordered KFC?
Well, I said McDo.
Baby. Chick-fil-A. You're mixing KFC and Chick-fil-A.
Oh, I didn't say Chick-fil-A?
No, you said
I
KFC
thought of
I know, that's why I'm like, it's similar. Okay, as of now, I put it all in this little bag. I got us some food because I know he's sick and we have to pack either way. So at least this is a little fun treat. And Bentley's really thinking she's joining the fun.
Boy, she could.
This is what we got. Some chicken nuggets, waffle fries, my favorite sauce, which is the honey and mustard. I also got some Chick-fil-A sauce, sandwich for Vlad, and they forgot my lemonade, so we're having water. Oh yeah, we're just gonna eat and then go back to cleaning because that's the aftermath of what I was doing.
Pneumonia, bitches.
Yeah, apparently he got... Why is it so dark? He got the results back and he has pneumonia.
Pneumonia.
Pneumonia?
Pneumonia. P-N-E-U.
Okay, whatever that is. Actually, what is that?
Fluids in the lungs.
Ooh, that does not sound sexy. Here's the vibes for tonight. I'm running a bath. We've done a lot tonight, so the bathroom is so squeaky clean. So this bath is gonna hit different. So I'm gonna have a bath, have a little cold Ollie pop, and I'll taste test it with you guys. So the water is running. I'm burning a candle. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited. It's currently 8:40, and after that, I'm probably gonna have an early night drink. And I've never tried cream soda, but I've definitely not tried like a healthy cream soda. Ollie Pop, which is like a digestive drink. I'm sure you guys know it. Also honorable mention, Naomi. Thank you for the glasses. I'm like always scared to break the glass. So satisfying. Okay, I expected it to be darker. I don't know why. Wait. Is it one of those things that I'm gonna say I hate, but then end up buying it again? No, I don't like the aftertaste. Tastes like vanilla, which I guess is the point, but like vanilla with watered down Coke. I'm still gonna drink it, but you know.
I'm not wearing like onesie at leisure. I just carried out like a bag.
Go, Charlie.
Okay, it's a little bit later. I'm gonna go walk Bentley with a friend.
We just appreciate how gorgeous she is. Like,
In the matching
like she's so beautiful.
in the matching set that he bought me. Earrings are little Amazon dupes. A sweat set, which looks a bit weird when I scrunch it up, is White Fox. I think the sweater might be a little bit on the bigger side, but oh well. It's really cute. Brown details.
Can I keep you home?
Why?
Because you look so good.
No. And then
No?
Bentley is
Okay.
matching. She has a gold little collar. Go out to Central Park, have a walk, and then come back. The packing has gone well in the fact that we have added one box today. So we're very behind schedule, but I'm just not feeling very well today. I did take a shower and like got ready, and it's making me feel a little bit better. See, I need to wear these slides. It would match so well, but I don't want to ruin them outside. Hi, so I went on a walk with my friend and her dog that she brought into the city. She met Bentley. It was really cute. We walked around, went to Ralph Lauren, got a coffee. Now chilled a bit at home, got back into my cozy outfit. And even though it's late, I haven't felt like I haven't done much today because I just wasn't feeling good, and that coffee kicked in. So I'm gonna clean out a little bit. I have these two little drawers, which are honestly junk drawers. This one's just like full of electronic stuff mostly, and this one's full of jewelry and like scents for the house and just some random stuff. Hopefully I'll have the mental capacity tomorrow to fix on the big things. All the phone cases, low-key cute. This is a phone case I got for Vlad. It got like a massive scratch, but I gave this to him, which is so cute. It's like us, and this one's his favorite things. That's so cute, but I got a scratch. I also made my mom one of these, and then her phone got stolen like not even a week later. This is so not my vibe anymore, but I feel like it's cute for the summer, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. I feel like this is gonna be a really long vlog. I feel like for a moving out vlog, that's okay. I've been really into long vlogs recently. I don't want anyone to get bored. That's the main thing with my vlogs, is like I have maybe like 2 hours of content and I snap it down to like 10 minutes because I'm like, I don't need some, like, I probably have so much content in this vlog that's not gonna go in the video, but my goal for myself is to make this video a bit longer, see how you guys like longer content, if it's you guys are interested or if you just find me boring, which totally get it. It's called Ever After, A Cinderella Story. It's on Disney Plus. I did like it. So I feel a little bit better than yesterday, so hopefully I get a lot more done. I also have to get my homework done, even though it's just, I just had the first week, which is supposed to be syllabus week, but the teachers did not get the memo. But yeah, anyway, today should be a productive day. I would say I'm excited. I'm not, but I'm more positive today, so that's good. We got moving boxes. Those are all my handbags in here. Moving boxes packed up literally every single piece of luggage we have. Picked some things that can't get really ruined in this basket. More clothes, donations, selling. Morning, it's moving day 1. This is my outfit. This is our top. I think these shorts are also from Zara. I put in a hair clip, but I did have an elastic around my arm because, let's be serious, I'll be sweating, so I'll need to put my hair up. Our plans had to change a little bit because we thought we would get help today, but we won't, so that's stressing me out a little bit because I don't know how we're gonna do everything just me and Vlad today, but we'll figure it out. As of now, the plan is to go to the apartment, clean it, so I'm just packed cleaning supplies. We're gonna go over there, clean it, also pack some bags. We'll go with the subway. I'll meet you guys there while I clean. Welcome to our new apartment. So firstly, this is the door and the entrance, and when you go in here, we have our little bathroom. It's very little, but there's a bathtub, there's some storage, much less than the other apartments. We're definitely gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, I actually feel like I have a vision. I have a vision. So we'll see.
The visionary.
Little coat closet. I also really like the wood flooring. I think it's nice. This is our little tiny kitchen. So yeah, this is our little kitchen. It has a little window. Lots of storage though, so we'll definitely use that to our advantage.
That is good. I didn't remember there being that much storage.
Yeah. Okay, then here we have our fridge, which is a bit strange to have it in the living room, so we're gonna try to move it into the kitchen. But this is our little living room where we'll have the TV, the couch. Here we have another window as well. This really pretty French doors. Okay, that's the bedroom area. So we have 2 mask windows as well as a little fire escape, which I'm so excited for. It's the same size as the living room, so we could do it the other way around if we want to, but I think for now the bedroom will definitely be here. I'm envisioning like a makeup area right here. We'll see how it works out. And then we have these 2 closets that go all the way in. So they're pretty big. Smaller than the ones we have now, but big. And then this.
I can't complain.
And yeah, that's our empty apartment.
But yeah, that should not be a problem.
It's moving day, and this is our breakfast setup. So, what's your favorite memory in this apartment?
My favorite memories consist of like us laying on the couch and having a movie night. What about you? What's your favorite?
So like Valentine's Day,
Bentley.
because I got to make the apartment all cute. I love baking in the kitchen together.
Oh yeah, that was fun. Oh, and I love when we just got Bentley and we would sit on the floor and like roll each other the ball and she would like...
Oh yeah, I love... We raised you here, Bentley. Are you ready to say goodbye to your first home? I have this new little pimple, but yesterday we went to the apartment and it was so hot. So today me and Dad decided to dress light clothing, but I forgot it's 7 a.m. It's cold, it's like 15 degrees Celsius and I'm dressed like this. But oh well, I'll probably get sweaty with the move anyway. You're welcome, sugar baby.
Yeah.
A huge truck right now. Just know that I'm not prepared for whatever's about to come. I know it's gonna be way more than I can even imagine, but that's always how these things go, so it's fine. First load. The setup, our little new home. But it's so cute. I'm so excited. About to go to our old apartment, get pizza there, move the last bits here, hopefully, and then I think tomorrow Vlad is gonna try to get another friend to help him. First night in the new apartment. We slept for 2 hours because we had more stuff to do and we kept the van overnight.
I'm putting it in your school bag. You should have it at school.
Yes, upload the truck. Go pick up some friends to help us out early. 5:50.
This is our first walk in Central Park since the moving in. But I'm filming because it's so cute. There's like this little bridge. And then there's this pond that Bentley already jumped in once. And it has swans inside. Like, look. Isn't that so cool? Yesterday night, I built the bed and put the mattress on so we can sleep at night. We did not get to put in the drawers on both sides yesterday, so I did it today. We carried in the TV and the desk. Right now, I just finished building our TV stand. I fixed that. Got the shelving in. Thing about this apartment is that the floor is not straight. So I had to lengthen the legs so it doesn't budge as much. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on building the couch. So maybe tonight we can enjoy some pizza in front of TV before we go to bed. Yep.
Bye bye.